Love is not just a feeling. It's a profound experience that shapes our thoughts, influences our actions, and molds our very essence. It brings color to our world and ignites our souls. Love transcends distance, overcomes obstacles, and heals wounds that seem impossible. It comes in many forms: romantic love, the love of family, the loyalty of friendship, and the compassion we hold for others. Each type of love enriches our lives and provides a sense of belonging and purpose. It is in giving and receiving love that we truly find ourselves and understand our shared humanity. But love is not always easy. It requires vulnerability in a world that often tries to harden our hearts. It demands courage to open ourselves to others, to embrace both joy and pain, and to extend forgiveness when it's needed most. Often, we may struggle, we may face rejection, or we may endure periods of loneliness. But it is in these moments of challenge that love reveals its strength. Every scar, every heartache, teaches us the invaluable lessons that deepen our capacity to love even further. Remember, love is not just about what we feel, it's about what we choose to do. It's about being present for someone in their time of need, standing by their side during challenges, and offering kindness even when it's difficult. Love inspires us to act, to spread compassion, to be generous with our time and our resources, to lift others up, and to be a beacon of hope. So I urge you all today, embrace love, seek it out, and give it generously. Let it flow through your words, your actions, and your intentions. Love fiercely, love authentically, and love without reservation. Because in the end, the connections we forge, the love we share, and the lives we touch will be our greatest legacy. Let love guide you, empower you, and unite us all. Together, through love, we can create a world where kindness triumphs over hatred, where understanding conquers ignorance, and where hope lights every path we